Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to address these issues if you're facing that your computer or laptop is asking insert boot media in selected boot device and press any key, and when you press any key, suppose here, see guys, if I press any key, then it's saying that your product, this product is covered by one or more of the following patent. So in this situation, how you will address these issues? Simply guys, you need to come on power off this button. So now see guys, I offed. Now once again I will turn on and I will press F2 setup. So F2 setup. Now I come here. Now see guys, here what you have to do, just by this arrow left one, just you need to select and you need to come on this boot options, because here we have a boot options error. So just we need to select fast boot, that should be a disable. So just I will enter it. Once again guys, in a boot list option, see here I will press the enter. So it will demand which one you would like to have, legacy or UEFI. So I will select here UEFI, and see once again I will press the enter. So now after all, I have selected fast boot, disable, and this one UEFI boot list option. Now what we have to do, simply I need to press here guys, see F10. F10 is here standing for save, and I will press the enter. So now see guys, here it has started to restart once again, and let's see this problem is coming once again or not. I think I have addressed the issues now. Yes, it has started to now come on this home page. So guys, this is all about in this video tutorial. If it is informative and acknowledgeable, then please don't forget to like and subscribe of this channel, because this is a thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for accelerating knowledge in IT sector field guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys. Now see, we are on home page. So thank you once again.